Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Chrome as your default browser on Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC. This contains the Windows 11, and of course if you're a Windows 10 user you can just go into your PC or your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course the download or the upgrade into Windows 11 will not delete any personal files or apps for you, so don't worry about this side. And of course uh, you can run the installation or the upgrade into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in meanwhile. Of course, it's not gonna be a big problem if you have a good PC, but if you don't have a good PC, it might be a bit slower, but it's not gonna be a big deal. Of course, once the download or installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. So, of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want, but I bet you will not do that, especially if you get used to Windows 11. So as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to make our Chrome is as our default browser. So simply we can just go and open the startup menu and here simply type default apps. I'm not writing it correctly, apps. Make sure to click at the first one. Once you're here, just go and look for Chrome right here. For me, I don't have it, so I'm just going to show you with another browser, so Brave, which is actually symmetrical as Chrome. It's the same. Then you can just scroll down here until you find this HTTP and HTTPS, and make sure to change them both into your Chrome. You'll find it right here. If you didn't find it, click at Browse Apps, and you will normally find it. And of course change this as one as well and click at set default and you will be good to go. Of course you'll have even the other option. You can just go into Chrome. As I said, it's like Brave. Just go into it and open your settings, and let's just open the settings. And of course here you can just go and type browser on the setting, and as you can see you'll find this default browser option. Click at make as default and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.